Hello friends, it's Danny here at Danny's Dreams. It's the 2nd of the month, so that means it's time for a new sheetload of cards. If you're new to my channel, Sheetload of Cards is put out by Call Me Crafty Al, and it is a sketch and a cutting guide that tells you all the information to make a sheetload of cards. This month is a special mini slimline edition. It needs two 12 by 12 pattern papers and cardstock. It makes 8 cards. The dimensions, other ways to use it. The sketch, which is printed, if you print it out at 100%, is the exact size of your cards. And then the cutting guides, very easy to understand. And this is a collaboration team hop day. So just click the hashtag in my title or in the description box. Hop around on YouTube and see what everyone has created, or go to Instagram and check out those creators as well. I think that's all the good stuff that I need to get out for you. Don't you like my double punched paper this month? I did it on that side accidentally, and then the OCD in me had me do it that way. So I can go either way. Sorry, rambling. Anyways, I don't have many supplies. I used a lot from my stash. I did use this reverse confetti, A Friend Like You stamp set. I think that I have used this often for Sheetload of Cards. It just seems to be the right size. And then I used some old Stampin' Up paper, and I don't have it to show because I used the last 2 pieces of this design. So here are my cards for this month. Life is Better with a Friend Like You. I really like how they turned out. I like the colors. I added just a little bit of bling, but I really like them. So there's a little closer up view. Again, Life is Better with a Friend Like You. They each have those little gems on them. I just added some white cardstock in the inside, and that is easy to do. Looking at it now, this would be a fun one to use. You could turn this into like a little banner down here or something. I might have to try to do that later on in the month. But there are my cards for the January 2023 Sheetload of Cards. Again, click on that hashtag, hop around, see what everyone else has created. And I also forgot to say, if you are new to Sheetload, make sure you go to Call Me Crafty Al's channel, be a subscriber, and then you can download it for free as well. Thanks so much for coming by, and until my next video, have a super awesome day and go get crafty.